Hello students, I am here with a series of sessions on the topic light. You know that light is very interesting topic, but in the beginning students face a lots of problems in understanding this. But I'll try my level best to solve this problem of the students. So let us start with the beginning. Now, the basic question is that, what is light? The answer is very simple, that light is a form of energy. It is a form of energy, like other forms of energy, sound, then electricity, and other forms also. We have mechanical energy, kinetic energy. Similarly, we have another form of energy, light. Then what is its use? Light, it produces the sensation of sight in our eyes. It helps us to see the beautiful world all around. Just imagine your life without light. It would be very difficult to survive. So, it is a form of energy that produces the sensation of sight in our eyes. Okay, and light is very much different from other forms of energy as far as its properties or characteristics are concerned. There are two basic properties or characteristics of light which make it different from other forms of energy. Those properties are, first one is its propagation. Light always propagates along straight line and it never bends around the corner with ease. If an obstacle comes in front of the light, just the light is going and the obstacle is coming in front of it, it cannot pass through it. It cannot bend and cross it. It will just stop there if this medium is opaque. Then it means it propagates along straight path. Then this property of light is known as rectilinear propagation of light. This is the first property. Second property is its speed. The speed of light is the maximum in this world, and we cannot even imagine of attaining the speed of light. It is almost about 3 lakh kilometers per second in vacuum. And the speed of light changes when the medium changes. When the light goes from vacuum to air, the speed changes a bit, and when the light goes from air to water or any other transparent medium like glass, again the speed changes. But 3 lakh kilometer per second is its maximum speed. Okay, so this is about the introductory part of light. Now, on the basis of propagation of light through different types of mediums, we have 3 types of materials with us. Those are transparent materials, translucent materials, and opaque opaque materials. Transparent materials are those materials through which light can pass completely. It means light can propagate through it. It can pass through it completely and we can see through it very clearly. For example, air, water, glass and so on. Next is opaque material. The materials through which light cannot pass through. The materials we cannot even see what is kept behind that object. So we cannot see through these objects because light cannot pass through it. These materials are called as opaque materials. So there are so many things all around which can be kept in this category. They are wood, rubber, wall and many more. And we have intermediate types of materials. Those are known as translucent materials. These materials allow light to pass through them partially, not completely, or these materials don't obstruct the light. Light can pass through these materials partially only, and we can see through these materials not very clearly, but a hazy appearance will be there. Like butter paper, oil, tracing paper, etc. Okay? So all these things are the introductory part of the light. In our next video, we'll study what happens to the light when these materials come on the path, on the way of light. Thank you for watching video. If you like my video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.